In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pause in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add natural-sounding breaks to your script so your AI voiceover feels more human and easy to follow. First, open your web browser and search for Heygen. You're looking for the official Heygen website. When the results appear, click the correct link that takes you to Heygen's homepage. If you see ads or lookalike pages, double-check the URL so you land on the real site. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Use your preferred method to access your account. After you're signed in, look for and select AI Studio. This is the workspace where you'll create or edit your video and manage the script that the AI voice will read. Inside the script editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the silence to occur. Think about the flow of your message. Pauses work well after a complete sentence, before an important point, or between two related ideas to let them sink in. Clicking precisely ensures the pause is inserted in the right spot. Next, find the Add Pause control. It's often represented by a small clock icon and may appear at the bottom or along the side of the script box. Depending on your screen size, the icon could be tucked into a toolbar, so take a moment to scan the editor if you don't see it right away. When you locate it, click it to insert a pause at your cursor. You'll see a tag appear in your script, something like, "This is a simple instruction to the voice engine to stay silent for 1 second at that exact point." Click the number inside the tag to adjust the length. You can enter values like 0.5s for a brief beat, 1s for a standard pause, or 1.5s to 2s for stronger emphasis. Short pauses help separate phrases naturally, while longer ones draw attention to key moments. Avoid overusing long breaks, as too many can make the narration feel slow. A quick tip: if you add a pause in the wrong place, just move your cursor and insert another, then delete the old tag. The tag itself won't show up in the final video, it only guides the timing of the voiceover. You can repeat this process anywhere you want the narration to breathe, and fine-tune the duration until the pacing feels right. That's it. You've added natural, adjustable pauses in Heygen to improve clarity and emphasis throughout your script.